Hello everyone, you're welcome to another edition of Victor Esibo Reviews. Newcomers to this channel, welcome. My name is Victor Esibo, the face behind Victor Esibo Reviews. Old timers, thank you for coming back. Salute. In this video, I want to tell you something that investors and traders can learn from gamblers. Yes, you think gamblers are just useless people, but there's something that investors and traders and every business person can learn from gamblers. It's called the gambler's mindset. Are you curious to know what it is? Then make sure you stick around and watch the video right till the end. Let's go. Hello everyone. Now, the purpose of this video is not to encourage gambling, but we want to talk about a particular trait that is peculiar to gamblers that if investors and traders can incorporate into their craft, is going to make them better at what they do. Now, when I mean investors, I mean people who invest in high yield investment platforms, HYIPs, people who invest in Ponzi schemes, people who invest in Forex and cryptocurrency companies, people who invest in shares. These are high risk investments and it contains a lot of inherent risk of loss of capital. Now, when I mean traders, I mean Forex and crypto traders. Now, there is something about the gambler's mindset that would help these two people, and is what I'm going to emphasize. So I'm going to take out investors from here and take out traders so that we'll focus on the gamblers for a minute. Now, what gamblers do is they stake. That's what they do, they stake, yeah? Now, in normal English usage, when they say something is at stake, it means that you can either lose that thing or you can gain it. Okay, it's either lose or gain, meaning that when a gambler stakes a bet, he knows that he can either lose or gain. As a matter of fact, a gambler believes that the likelihood of a loss is higher than the likelihood of a gain. Yes, when a gambler gambles stakes, he is never surprised if he loses. Nobody is surprised when a gambler loses, because his number of losses are definitely higher than his number of wins. That's why you see them jubilating when they win, because they don't expect to win. There are two reasons why they jubilate when they win. First of all, they are happy. Second of all, they are surprised. Yes, a gambler is surprised when he wins because he doesn't even expect to win. But you see, when an investor or a trader loses, they cry, they become depressed. Some of them commit suicide. Some of them don't eat for days. Some of them develop high blood pressure. Some of them almost go mad. Why? Because they invest or they trade with the mindset that they are going to win, which is not always the case. Now, if they can adopt this gambler's mindset, now this is what the gambler does. The gambler stakes only amounts he can afford to lose. The moment a gambler stakes, he assumes he has lost that money. So if he eventually loses the money, all fine and good. If he wins, wow, much better. But you see, investors trade with the mindset that they are always going to win. When investors invest, they invest with the mindset that they're always going to win. When most Forex and cryptocurrency traders trade, they trade with the mindset that they're always going to win. That's why you see people going to get loans to invest. They go and get loans to invest. They invest with their children's school fees. They invest with their house rents. They invest with their feeding money. If you invest with your children's school fees, or you trade with your children's school fees and it goes bad, it means that your children will be sent away from school. You invest or you trade with your house rent and it goes bad or it crashes, it means that you are going to be homeless. You trade or you invest with your feeding money, it means that you're going to go hungry if it goes bad. If you go and borrow money to trade, it means that you're going to be depressed if it goes bad. It means that you're going to have your collateral confiscated if it goes bad. There is nothing like a sure trade or a sure investment. There is always risk involved. For instance, in Forex trading, you know that money management is very important in Forex trading. If your entire trading capital, for instance, is $100, it is pure madness for you to engage in one trade with $50. How can you trade just one trade with $50? Meaning that only 2 losses. What happens? You have already blown your trading capital. That is why you see that many Forex traders blow their entire trading capital, because they do not adopt proper money management. If they know, if they feel in their mind that trading $50 out of $100, if they assume that this money is gone, it's a loss, they won't trade it. What would they do? If they want to believe that the money would not come back, how much would they trade? They may go and trade, say, maybe $5. Trade $5. Then they would have how much backup? $95. You see, now they are beginning to adopt the gambler's mindset. See, this simple principle is going to help everybody who trades Forex or cryptocurrency or invests online. It's a simple rule. It's very simple, but the compliance to this rule, people find it extremely difficult. I'm going to write it so that it's going to be bold and you'll see it. Invest only what you can afford to lose. How many times have you seen people going into depression, running mad, crying, shedding tears, feeling like their whole world is crumbling down because of a failed Ponzi scheme? When a Ponzi scheme crashes, people slip into depression, some commit suicide. Some people blow their Forex accounts and their lives cannot continue. Why? Because they disobey this very simple rule. Invest only what you can afford to lose. I think I cannot overemphasize this. If you've watched this video and you invest online and you have friends and associates who invest online as well, share this video with them. Okay, give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Till I see you next time with another powerful message, it's bye for now.